Goodluck Jonathan has a great vision for Nigeria, and every day he is putting this vision to work, and Nigeria is the better for it. His desire to make the problem of power a thing of the past has seen electricity generation rise to 4,000 megawatts, the highest Nigeria has generated in the last 10 years. His intervention funds in textile, leather, automotive, aviation and banking industries means a boost for the economy, and more importantly, much needed jobs for our people. The $200 million fund for the entertainment industry means accelerated growth for this industry and more jobs and avenues for self-actualization for Nigeria's teeming youth. The improvement of existing river basins and the establishment of new ones across the country is major boost for agriculture in Nigeria. So much has been done by Goodluck Jonathan in such a short time. Imagine what he will do in 4 years. Goodluck Sambo, transform Nigeria.
This message is from Neighbor to Neighbor for transformation.